Hey, what's going on guys? This is Abed Tech Sport and I am back with another video tutorial. So guys, in this video tutorial I am going to show you how can you unlock your Apple ID or your iCloud ID from the Apple server. You all of guys know there are a hacker who will hack a lot of account, and for that make Apple just add a new security process. You need to step by step to this process to unlock your Apple ID safely and fast. So guys, let's get started. So guys, first of all just open up a browser. It will be a new browser you have on your computer, and on here just head over to appleid.apple.com, or it will be only for Apple ID. And if you have iCloud you want to unlock, then go to iCloud.com, but I am already unlocked my iCloud account, so I need to unlock my Apple ID too to access iTunes and also App Store. So on here just type your Apple ID and password and click this go button, and here say this Apple ID has been locked for security reason. You must unlock your account before sign in. Click on unlock account. It will be just head over to iforgot.apple.com, because it will be just want to recover or reset your password, so your old password is now don't need anymore. So on here just type your Apple ID that you type in here, paste here and enter the captcha and click on continue. And here as you can see, here says select how you want to unlock your account. Your email address has been locked for security reasons. Select how you would like to unlock. So if you have access to this mail account, then you can send a mail on your account, or you can answer some security question to unlock it. So I am click answer security question selected because I know all of my security questions. So here you want to just enter your date of your month, so I am entering my one week because it will be asked here. Okay, click on continue. So here my security question, so I am hide all of the sensitive data. So after I enter this two security question, I click continue and it should open up a new page. Yep, here say enter new password for my this Apple ID. So on here I am just type my password, and after you enter your password, on the down you can click reset password, and here it will be now click on go to your account. It should redirect you to login page. Then on here you can log in with your new Apple ID password. So here again, here security question, so just type your security question answer. So here, yeah, as you can see, my account will be now just unlock. You can do those steps on your mobile device, you don't need to use your computer. So as you can see, my account will now unlock, and that's about it guys. I hope you will be enjoyed it. To enjoy it, don't forget to like the video, and if you dislike it, then click on the dislike button, and also don't forget to share this video because it will be so much helpful for your family and friends who use Apple device and their Apple ID goes locked. And also subscribe our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and also add us on Google+. And as always guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace.